Hello, my name is Samantha Lahey, and I am the current burn surgery fellow at the University of Utah after finishing my surgical critical care and acute care surgery fellowships at Wright State University in Dayton, Ohio. I joined East as a fellow in training member during my surgical critical care year at the encouragement of Drs. Imbaga Walasimbi, Yi Wong, and Laura Johnson. East provides great opportunities for anyone interested in trauma and is especially good for those who are early in their career. I had a wonderful time at my first annual scientific assembly, with everyone I met being open and welcoming to a new young member. The meetings provide plenty of networking opportunities and educational forums. Getting more involved in East by joining a committee, attending webinars, applying for scholarships or mentorship, or simply learning from more senior colleagues via podcast is very easy. I am now part of the Burn Surgery Committee under Drs. Laura Johnson, Monty Littlejohn, and Taryn Travis. As a trained burn and trauma surgeon, this is proving to be a great avenue to collaborate with my peers and to focus on my specialized interest within trauma. I look forward to getting more involved in East as I start my attending career and encourage anyone with an interest in trauma to join.